Hi, Dad.
Hi, Tegan.
Where's Mackenzie?
Downstairs. Adam, there's no volume.
No volume.
Why is that? I just unplugged it. There should be volume. Everything's good. Yaddle-deedle-diddle-dum. All day long, Tegan lays on his bed. If you were a rate, Tegan.
A new bed.
The bed's all clean. Here's his iPad.
For the 5th time. The bed's helped.
Let's go put the iPad right there.
Tegan is
Where do you
helped.
want the iPad right here? Where do you want the iPad?
Close the closet door, please.
Close it?
Yes.
Here's all Tegan's medals.
Tegan's medals. We fixed the volume.
We fix it.
Come on out, everyone.
Uh-oh.
I know you're following me.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome, bud. Want to turn this light off?
Yes.
Please.
The trophy. So, hey,
Okay.
Could you please?
Please.